It's a pleasure to talk to you. We've just finished a session at the Nigerian-British Chamber of Commerce Conference for 2022, and our session was entitled Healthcare in Nigeria Beyond the COVID-19 Crisis. It was very interesting, very enlightening. We had the Honorable Commissioner for Health for Lagos State. We had Dr. Adesimbo, who is the Director General of the Nigerian Center for Disease Control. We also had Dr. Johnson, who is the CEO and MD of First Cardiology Hospitals in Lagos. We had Dr. Debo Odulano, who is the MD, CEO and founder of Doctora Limited. What were the key insights? First is that, honestly, COVID, the crisis is over, but COVID is not over. We cannot lose sight of the fact that we still need to take some level of precaution to halt the spread of COVID. Another thing we took away from this session is that there's a silver lining somewhat for the healthcare sector as a result of COVID, which means that because of COVID, the gaps that existed in our system was, kind of highlighted, and it has drawn investments to the healthcare sector. So we have investment in laboratories, investment in healthcare facilities, we have investments even in the technology to connect healthcare system across the country and to ensure that data is being collated and analyzed on almost a real-time basis across the country, and that's something that's significant. Another takeaway was the changes in the healthcare behavior of Nigerians. I mean, as a result of the apprehension the people had generally about catching COVID, we had new habits being formed. General hygiene was greatly improved. We had people respecting private space as well. Some people still wear masks. So Nigerians now know enough to eat healthy, to exercise, and to generally subscribe as well to a health plan. Because when you have access to a health plan, you're not so apprehensive about the cost of accessing healthcare when you need it. So it doesn't get to a stage where, a pre-existing condition will lead to your death. Another key takeaway is in the area of technology and how technology has enabled healthcare delivery. During COVID, as you well know, people couldn't move around a lot. And what we in Avon HMO did was to introduce Avon TeleDoc, where we're able to give enrolled members on our plans access to physicians online with video and phone calls. And in addition to that, we also had diagnostic results being shared online via the platform. And not just us, Lagos State also had a response center. They had telemedicine. So technology is beyond telemedicine. It's beyond virtual consultations. But what we are seeing now is that technology has enabled our ability as a country to prepare healthcare solutions to the people of Nigeria. So all in all, I think it was a great session, and I thank everybody who participated. Thank you very much.